This video that I'm filming belongs to a series of videos that I'm creating to clarify the identity of the Nei Qi Gong Fu school, or what we're basically doing also with the Nei Qi Gong practice. I'm doing this because I'm an instructor of the school. I'm an instructor of the Nei Qi Gong Fu school, direct student of Shifu Costantino Valente. I've been practicing Nei Qi Gong almost 8 years now. And my goal with these videos is to clarify some concepts and some ideas that otherwise might not be clear. In this video, I would like to talk to you about the relationship with the Chinese teachers, with the Chinese masters. Sometimes people assume that we have two Chinese masters, first of all, which are actually teachers of my teacher, Shifu Costantino Valente, who is the creator of the Nei Qi Gong practice and the founder of the Nei Qi Gong Fu school. So these two Chinese masters, Shifu Luo and Shifu Zhou, are my teachers, but they don't actually belong to the Nei Qi Gong school. My teacher, Shifu Costantino Valente, has a good relationship with them, respectful and friendly. But however, the goal of the Nei Qi Gong practice could be different than what they actually practice for. What I mean is that, for instance, Shifu Zhou is a doctor, so probably is interested in qigong practice. Nei Gong practice is oriented towards medicine, towards helping other people. Shifu Luo is a martial artist, so probably the reason why he got involved into this Nei Gong practice was because of his martial arts training. And he's also a healer, a different kind of healer compared to Shifu Zhou, who is actually a doctor. The goal that we have in our school is different. We practice Nei Qi Gong because our goal is our personal growth. We can also say spiritual growth, although this word has lost completely its meaning nowadays. So we prefer to address this process as personal growth. Also because when we practice Nei Qi Gong, we learn to know ourselves on a physical, emotional, mental level. So we can talk about personal growth. But of course, when we do that, we are also exploring something that we might refer as spiritual, that we don't usually like to call it in that way. But this is the real goal of the Nei Qi Gong practice. The programs that we have been, the advanced programs, they are the programs that Shifu Costantino Valente learned from his teachers, Shifu Luo and Shifu Zhou. Just to give you an idea, an overview of the Nei Qi Gong method, we have 9 basic programs that also can be done online. This is why I have so many students around the world now. That take 2 months of daily practice each before moving to the next step. These programs, 8 out of 9 actually were created based on Shifu Costantino Valente knowledge on practices that he learned from other qigong teachers. One of these practices, the Lin Qi level 9, actually belongs to Shifu Luo, the Chinese master who lives in Thailand. The reason why Shifu Costantino Valente created this step-by-step system, it's because in the basic programs, let's say we find, we could say normal qigong, almost effective qigong, let's say in this way, that is preparing us to do later on the advanced work that will be done in the advanced programs, which we can call Nei Gong. In another video, I think I talk about the difference between Qigong and Nei Gong, so please watch, I think, the previous video on this Nei Qi Gong Fu School series. It's a playlist on my YouTube channel to understand a bit more what I'm talking about when I'm referring to Nei Gong and Qigong, the difference between the two. So basically, the 9 basic programs are preparatory steps needed to prepare ourselves on a physical, emotional, mental level to later on do a work that will be otherwise too demanding. That could even screw up our health if we will just go straight to the advanced programs, which are Nei Gong programs. These programs are the programs that Shifu Costantino Valente learned from his 2 Nei Gong teachers, Shifu Zhou and Shifu Luo. The work that he did Shifu Costantino Valente was actually to condense and make a little bit of sense out of these programs, because I don't know if you're familiar with the Chinese Asian way of teaching. Sometimes are quite confused, not really suitable for Western minds, let's say in this way. So Shifu Costantino Valente organized everything into a progressive system. So in the 6 advanced program, we find 3 practices that belong to Shifu Luo, 3 practices that belong to Shifu Zhou. But it is important to understand that they are not Nei Qi Gong Fu teachers or masters. They are my teachers, masters. My teacher is very respectful and grateful toward them, because this is where basically the powerful practices came from. However, he did the amazing job of organizing the exercises and clarify a little bit everything, decoding everything that he learned from them. So I think this video is quite important, because sometimes people maybe browsing on the web or even going on my website are misled by the idea that Shifu Zhou and Shifu Luo are actually part of the Nei Qi Gong Fu school. They are not. The reason why sometimes we organize events to meet them, it's because my teacher is really grateful for them, and he has the pleasure to take the Nei Qi Gong Fu students to meet his teachers. But that's pretty much it. We have a different goal, and with the Nei Qi Gong system method, we practice to grow as human beings, and we take from these teachers the best that they can give us, so that we can improve in what we are doing. But apart from that, we are two different, let's say, the Nei Qi Gong Fu school is a different thing.